Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to adjust brightness in Bully Anniversary Edition. Adjusting the brightness in Bully Anniversary Edition is a straightforward process that can enhance your gaming experience. First of all, launch open Bully Anniversary Edition on your device, and then once you're inside the game, tap on the map icon at the top right corner. This will now open up these options on the left-hand side menu. From the menu, tap on Settings. Under Settings, you will see Brightness option. Move the slider right next to Brightness to increase or decrease the brightness to your preference. Move the slider towards the left to decrease the brightness or to the right to increase the brightness. Once you are done, you can exit the Settings menu by tapping on Return to the game at the top left. And that's how you can easily adjust brightness in Bully Anniversary Edition. By following these steps, you can tailor the brightness settings easily, ensuring a more immersive and enjoyable gaming experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.